Hello. So this is the Raspberry Pi 3 module, and on a 8 GB micro SD card I have flashed the image of Odoo IoT box, which will convert this Raspberry Pi into IoT box. I downloaded the images from the following URL, and I took the latest version of the image. Now this is how the RPI will look in the screen, the customer screen. Currently this Odoo IoT box is connected to this display. Now if we look in the IoT app in our test instance, I was able to register this Odoo IoT box. For a registration process in this browser window, we need to type localhost 8069 and it will take us to this page. And while configuring the server, we will start with connecting it to the Wi-Fi, and then we will configure the server. When we click on configure, it will ask for the server token, and this server token is available in this screen. When we click on connect, it will give us this server token, which we need to paste it here. Once it gets connected, the Raspberry Pi or the Odoo IoT box module will start showing here. Now after completing this configuration, we need to also configure our point of sale shop. So we will go to point of sale, and for now we will close this session. And now we will go under configurations, point of sale, and we will go to our shop configuration, and in that we will enable the IoT box, and as a customer display we will select this Raspberry Pi Sony TV display, which is visible over here. And if we go to the IoT box configured, then here also it is listed that what type that is. The type is display and the connection is HDMI. So this is how we can configure. Currently I will be not able to show you the live demonstration because I do not have that powerful router. I managed it through connecting it to the mobile wireless hotspot, and due to lower connectivity I will be not able to demonstrate you live that how the customer interface will reflect in this display connected. But this is how we will be able to configure the Odoo IoT box. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.